You ever feel like your brain's working against you? Like, no matter how much you want to change, how much you want to improve, there's this inner force just holding you back. Well, what if I told you that feeling is spot on? You've been using your brain wrong. Everything you've been told to do, think harder, use logic, focus more, it's all based on a fundamental misunderstanding of how your brain works. The good news is once you realize this, you can reprogram your thinking and start seeing results that you never thought possible. The truth is, your brain is not a machine. It's a prediction engine. A machine follows a set of rules, it performs actions based on inputs. But your brain doesn't operate like that. It's always scanning, always anticipating, always filling in the blanks. And it does this not based on facts or logic, but based on past experiences, memories, and associations. Basically, it's using the past to predict the future. This means that your brain is not always rational. It's not always logical. Sometimes it jumps to conclusions, sometimes it creates worst-case scenarios, and sometimes it holds you back without any factual basis. Here's the kicker. Up to 95% of your thoughts, habits, and reactions are subconscious. They're running in the background, shaping your reality without you even realizing it. So, if you're trying to change your life by sheer willpower alone, guess what? You're fighting a battle you've already lost. It's like trying to steer a ship by shouting at the waves. The only way to change your course is to adjust the sails. And in this case, your sails are your beliefs, your expectations, and your subconscious patterns. Neuroscience has a term for this: neuroplasticity. Your brain is constantly changing and adapting based on what you think, what you feel, and what you do. Every thought you have, every action you take leaves an imprint on your brain. And over time, these imprints become habits, then beliefs, then identity. So if you constantly tell yourself, "I can't do this, I'm not capable, this is too hard for me," guess what? Your brain takes those thoughts as gospel. It starts to believe them as truth. And eventually, they become self-fulfilling prophecies. You literally program yourself to fail. But here's the beautiful part. Neuroplasticity works both ways. You can use it to break free from the negative patterns that are holding you back. You can reprogram your brain to see possibilities instead of limitations, opportunities instead of obstacles. You can train your brain to believe in your ability to succeed. So, here's the question. What are you feeding your brain? Are you bombarding it with negativity, doubt, and fear? Or are you focusing on the positive, the empowering, the growth-oriented? Your brain is like a garden. What you put into it determines what you get out of it. So start by planting seeds of belief. Challenge your negative thoughts. Question your limiting beliefs. Replace "I can't" with "How can I?" Replace "I don't know" with "I'm open to learning." Replace "I'm not enough" with "I'm growing every day." It's also crucial to be aware of your emotional state, because emotions are the language your brain understands best. If you're constantly stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, your brain goes into survival mode and shuts down all non-essential functions. This means no creativity, no innovation, no productivity. So, learn how to manage your emotions. Take time to relax, to recharge, to reconnect with yourself. And when you do this, you create the space for your brain to do its magic. Neuroplasticity isn't just some new age concept. It's backed by science, proven by research, and experienced by millions. You have the power to change your brain, to shape your identity, to build your best self. It all starts with one simple step: becoming aware of how you're using your brain. So ask yourself, what beliefs am I holding on to that no longer serve me? What patterns am I stuck in that are preventing me from moving forward? Once you identify them, you can start to shift them, change them, and eventually eliminate them. Remember, you're not broken, you're misaligned. Your brain is always on, always listening. It's waiting for you to feed it the right thoughts, the empowering thoughts, the growth-oriented thoughts. So stop fighting your brain and start training it. Stop telling yourself to think harder and start teaching yourself to think smarter. Because success isn't about forcing yourself to think more. It's about learning how to think better. If this resonates with you, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo and helps you reach your fullest potential. Now comment below. What's one belief about your brain you're ready to let go of? And I'll personally read and respond to some of your comments because your thoughts matter and they could change your life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.